Maintaining a clean home can be challenging for seniors, individuals with disabilities, or those experiencing chronic pain. The physical demands, energy limitations, and mental strain associated with household chores can turn once simple tasks into overwhelming burdens. However, by incorporating adaptive cleaning tools, establishing efficient routines, taking preventative measures, and embracing a supportive mindset, maintaining a comfortable and organized home becomes achievable. Using furniture sliders is an effective way to move heavy items effortlessly. These small pads placed under furniture allow for easy gliding with minimal effort, reducing physical strain and making it easier to clean underneath sofas, chairs, and tables. Investing in multi-use cleaning tools, such as steam cleaners and microfiber cloths, helps streamline tasks while minimizing exertion. A steam cleaner can sanitize floors, refresh upholstery, and clean grout, making it an invaluable tool for individuals looking to reduce physical effort. Microfiber cloths, known for their versatility, effectively dust, polish, and clean surfaces without the need for additional sprays. Hands-free trash cans with foot pedals or sensors also contribute to convenience, allowing waste disposal without bending or excessive hand use. A lightweight spray mop eliminates the need for heavy buckets, simplifying floor cleaning while reducing strain on the arms and back. Adopting smart cleaning strategies helps distribute workloads efficiently. Rather than tackling an entire house in one day, a rotating cleaning schedule assigns different areas to different weeks, making maintenance less overwhelming. Cleaning while seated on a rolling stool helps alleviate discomfort associated with prolonged standing or bending. Following a cleaning calendar or checklist creates structure, ensuring tasks are completed systematically without becoming daunting. Breaking tasks into manageable steps fosters consistency and prevents tasks from piling up. Preventative cleaning techniques minimize the accumulation of dirt and clutter, reducing the frequency of deep cleaning sessions. Simple habits such as using shoe racks, placemats, and coasters can prevent messes before they occur. Placing washable rugs in high-traffic areas traps dirt and spills, making floor maintenance easier. One-handed cleaning techniques, utilizing specialized tools like cleaning mitts and handheld vacuums, enhance efficiency and accessibility for individuals with limited mobility in one arm. Decluttering and optimizing storage solutions contribute significantly to maintaining a clean environment. Labeled bins, sliding shelves, and stackable containers help store belongings efficiently, reducing the need for excessive bending or reaching. Simplifying bedding choices by using lightweight quilts and deep pocket-fitted sheets makes changing linens less strenuous. Keeping essential cleaning supplies in multiple rooms eliminates unnecessary trips, ensuring quick access when needed. Time-saving cleaning habits help maximize productivity while minimizing effort. Following the 15-minute rule, dedicating short bursts of time to cleaning rather than attempting long, exhausting sessions, proves effective in maintaining a tidy home. Incorporating cleaning into daily routines, such as wiping down surfaces while waiting for coffee or brushing teeth, prevents messes from accumulating. Prioritizing high-impact areas, such as keeping kitchen counters clean or maintaining a tidy bathroom, ensures that the most frequently used spaces remain inviting and hygienic. Seeking help and support is an essential aspect of maintaining a clean home. Accepting assistance from family members, friends, or professional cleaning services lightens the load and prevents unnecessary strain. Utilizing local volunteer services or affordable cleaning programs can provide additional support for those who require assistance. Making cleaning a collaborative effort, such as involving family members in shared tasks or playing music while tidying up together, transforms chores into bonding activities that create positive experiences. Mindset and motivation play a crucial role in maintaining a clean and organized living space. Celebrating small wins, such as cleaning a single area or tidying up a room, fosters a sense of accomplishment and motivation. It is important to be kind to oneself, acknowledging limitations and prioritizing well-being over perfection. Recognizing that a clean home is valuable but not at the expense of health and happiness reinforces a balanced perspective. Ultimately, maintaining a home is about creating a comfortable and loving environment rather than striving for unrealistic perfection. By implementing adaptive cleaning tools, efficient routines, preventative measures, strategic storage solutions, and a positive mindset, individuals facing physical challenges can maintain a clean and organized home. Cleaning does not have to be an overwhelming or exhausting task. With the right strategies and support, it becomes a manageable and rewarding part of daily life.